All right, the problem I'm having today is just another seemingly small but frustrating, important, user experience thing. So this is a paragraph, and I've got an ordered list, a numbered list, and it's rendering the way it should with like indentations here. It's flush, right? That's a text widget. And over here in the tabs widget, it would render the same way, just for illustration purposes. Now, here's the problem. That's my editor. But so this is just a text thing. This is an accordion with one panel on it. I open the accordion and see you've got a numbered list in here, and it doesn't wrap flush. It wraps underneath the number, and it just looks hideous. There you go. The sky's not falling, but I mean, so why doesn't Duda just make that right? I'm sorry, but whoever's in charge of products should be fired. I mean, there's just no, like, attention given to these little user experiences things that are, anywhere else, like in WordPress, you can do it. So, I mean, look, you can hear the frustration in my voice. Would you please fix it? In the meantime, I would really appreciate it if you could give me some CSS or something to fix it. It only seems to happen it used to happen in the old blog, but anyway, it seems to only happen in the accordion widget, and it's also unfortunately happening in a custom accordion widget that I had to buy from the Camel because the Duda one how do you say, sucks. So, sorry, I'm frustrated, but, be my hero. Give me some CSS to fix that. And while you're at it, I need it for the unordered, the bullet lists as well. I'd really appreciate that. Or maybe, some developer could take 10 minutes and go and just fix it globally. Wouldn't that be the right thing to do? Anyway, I'll leave that with you. You can run your business the way you run it. I'm sorry, I'm being an asshole, but I really appreciate it if you would help.